writing this letter tonight, thinking of you in the quiet light. All the love you gave to me, your gentle heart, your honesty. You held my hand when I was small. You picked me up each time I'd fall. Even when the road was long, you were the place where I belong. Mama, if you hear this song, know your love has made me strong. Every prayer you said for me is the reason I believe. Through the dark and through the storm, your love was always keeping me warm. Mama, this is from my